Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Andy in North Carolina on his Connex 4300-300. Andy, we repaired it, tuned it, aligned it, put the switch on the back to shut your amplifier off. This radio now boasts 4 Toshiba 2879 transistors. Now keep in mind it's only driven by this radio, roughly 50 watts. So it's going to last and last and last and just cruise right along. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. 20 watts of carrier. Roll it all the way up. 1000 watt slug. 200 watts of carrier. Show you average power swing. Low, 300 bird. Peak power. Bottom scale. Low, right about 690, maybe 700. Alright, Andy, this beast is coming to the east. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.